Hey there, how's it going? My name is Erin O'Malley and I am a keynote speaker, a facilitator, and a trainer, and I talk about the power of human connection. And my company's name is Erin O Consulting. So I came across Nicole as part of another group I was in. She presented to that group, and I remember I had an event to go to, and I looked in my closet and I had nothing to wear. And I had all of the excuses. So then I went through the workshop, the Style Your Brand workshop, and I have to say it was beyond my expectations. And what I loved about it is Nicole works you through her process, and man, has she thought through this process of what comes up for people, of what people resist, of the freakouts, and I had a few freakouts, but she has just developed a system that is so thorough and approachable and confidence building. During the workshop, you do a closet edit. And I laughed out loud because I thought, no wonder I can't get dressed. A, half of these clothes don't fit me, and B, the ones that do are totally not my style. There was some weird corporate thing that I thought that I had to do. Now I have to say, having gone through the workshop, a few things. I hated shopping. Like, I'm not a shopper, but Nicole, one of the biggest things is she's like, it's shopping. You're gonna buy things, some will work, some will not. And now I'm like, oh, you just buy clothes that fit, and things look a whole lot better. I think the other thing is with my closet now is I love getting dressed every morning because my clothes are me and they represent me, and I love going to places now because I have options to choose from that really exhibit my style. Just even getting up and working from my home office, but now knowing that I can get on stage in an outfit that represents me, that brings out my personality, I'm so excited. And I think I look back to a keynote I had a few years ago, and I was shopping the night before, and I got up on stage and it was good, but looking at the video, I can tell that I wasn't fully there because of what I was wearing. And now, man, it's such a difference. Finally, I will say, working with Nicole, my initial impression of her just got even deeper. She has that wisdom about her. She understands style. She understands women and our mindsets and how we work. She has thought out this process, so it's so approachable. And honestly, I mean, I now feel like I'm the mini Nicole, and I tell everyone how to do her workshop because her teachings are so strong and they're so practical. And I really know, having gone through this workshop, that I will now have this system going forth for the rest of my life. So not only do I not have a closet full of fabulous clothes, I also have a whole new way of approaching. So I'm gushing, and I'm not really a gusher, but Nicole is worth a bit of time that you have to invest, every dollar, if not more. It really was an incredible experience for me, my confidence. I can tell in my career, it started a whole snowball of good stuff. So I highly encourage you, if you're thinking about it, screw the pounds, screw waiting for the investment. It's so worth it to do it right now.